In this video, are we seeing more Bitcoin warning signs both in the daily time frame as well as in the logarithmic growth curve? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis natin, what we were monitoring was this declining RSI nga forming in the daily time frame. You can see that. And at the same time, we are seeing that increasing price action dito. And I'm pretty much bearish dito kay Bitcoin na nga within the next few weeks. And even if we are seeing that Bitcoin increase for the past few days, this is the main thing na gusto ko pag-usapan ngayon, which is this declining RSI. Kasi traditionally, whenever na we are seeing that increasing price while RSI is declining, those are usual signs of a bearish divergence. So, usually mga ganun, it can tend to a declining Bitcoin price at some point in the upcoming weeks. So, it can still continue this uptrend trajectory dito ni Bitcoin, but I don't think na it's going to be a very good if let's say you are hoping to invest for the next few weeks, I don't think it's a good thing. Kasi as you can see, looking at this, even if umakit pa siya dito lalo, as long as the RSI is declining na nga dito kay Bitcoin, then yeah, we can see now we are seeing a lot of warning signs nga dito kay Bitcoin. So, in this case, what is next dito kay Bitcoin? So, right now, we can still see Bitcoin go within the 107,000 or 110,000 US dollar range. In fact, it can go even higher kasi ang mahalaga lang naman dyan sa bearish divergence is, ang mahalaga lang is either if umakit siya ng paakyat, ang RSI niya is pababa ng pababa. So if that happens within the next few days na nga dito kay Bitcoin, then that can lead into a massive bearish movement dito kay Bitcoin. And as what we mentioned in the previous video, we can expect around siguro 70,000 to 80,000 US dollar of Bitcoin drop dito kay Bitcoin. But yeah, on top of that, there is also another thing na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, and that is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, which is the logarithmic growth curve that we have been following for the past 4 years nga dito kay Bitcoin. Ever since na we have started creating this video, we have been following this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. And para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, this logarithmic growth curve is actually a good indicator in determining kung asang part na ba tayo ng market cycle natin, or it will also determine kung asa na nga ba tayo sa mga support and resistances dito ni Bitcoin. And as you can see, for the past few years na nga, actually for the past 2 years, we have been seeing the Bitcoin has been following the support area and resistance consistently dito. And right now, if you're going to look at the current Bitcoin price action, Bitcoin is right now hitting at this massive resistance around the 100,000 US dollar area. So 100,000 is actually a pretty crucial area for Bitcoin to break. Now, if you're going to look at this in the monthly time frame, you can see na we are still playing within that resistance area nga na yan. The only time na we can confirm na nakapag-breakout na tayo is if nagkaroon tayo ng monthly close above this area. But yun nga, as of the time being, we are seeing that bearish signs in the daily time frame, and as you can see, wala pa tayong candle close above this resistance area. Then as of now, I don't think now we are seeing a bullish Bitcoin for the time being. I think that this can consolidate within this support area, playing around if let's say nag-consolidate siya dito further or nag-decline, you can see now we can see Bitcoin play around the 70 to 80,000 US dollars. So yeah, right now, it's actually not looking very good kay Bitcoin, but as you can see, nagko-consolidate siya na mas matagal, so that can be a good opportunity for you to re-enter the market. So as of the time being, I don't think that we are seeing a very bullish Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin can go up back to 110, but I don't think it will go very much higher than that. And yun nga, if the end of the month shows na we are still not seeing any candle close above this resistance sa logarithmic growth curve, then yeah, it's looking like bearish kay Bitcoin for the time being dito sa buong crypto market. So yeah, it's actually looking quite good right now for the time being sa crypto market kasi nga medyo mataas yung price ni Bitcoin ngayon and medyo consistent siya. But looking at this, a lot of early signs na nakikita natin ngayon, hindi ngayon maganda mag-invest. Sure, you can trade for the short term. If let's say you are a short-term trader, then of course, maganda mag-trade for the short term. But when it comes to mid-term, within the following weeks, which is what I usually trade, yung mga pang midterm or pang weekly or yung mga pang swing trade, I don't think it's actually a good time to enter into a swing trading opportunity right now. But if let's say you want to take advantage of this next Bitcoin move, then of course make sure to check out our Bybit na if Bybit deposit bonus. If you are going to sign up with my sign up link na you can find the description down below, meron tayo up to $30,000 bonus. Of course, depende siya kung gaano kalaki yung ipapasok nyo. If let's say you are going to open an account with Bybit for around, let's say around $500, nag-deposit ka ng $500, which is around 28,000 pesos, roughly around that price, then of course, you can get up to $50 bonus kagad, which is roughly around 3,000 pesos na nga. So, that's actually a good deal na. So, if let's say you're going to open an account with Bybit, automatically, deposit ka ng 28K, may 3,000 bonus ka na kagad dito. And you can actually start using the 3,000 pesos na yon kagad sa pang-trade nyo kay Bybit. So, gamit na gamit nyo siya agad. If let's say mag-trade kayo and mag-deposit kayo ng within or mag-deposit kayo ng around $3,000 to, so around 170K, then of course you can get an extra $100 bonus. So yeah, make sure to take advantage of this kasi as you can see, most users deposit around 170K and take advantage of this $100 bonus. Napakalaking tulong niyan ng $100 bonus na yan. That's equivalent to around 6,000 pesos. So take advantage of this, guys. You can find this link, guys, in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.